Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can disable your notification on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. After you open Snapchat, you want to click on your Bitmoji icon at the top left of your screen. And once you do that, it's going to take you to your profile of Snapchat. At the top right corner, you can see the little setting icon. Click on that. Once you click on your setting icon, scroll a bit down and you can see this option called notifications. Click on notifications, and from over here, make sure you turn off all the notifications. Once you have turned off all the notifications, basically you have done it. You have disabled your notification on Snapchat. But there is still one extra step you need to do. For that, you need to close your Snapchat. After you close your Snapchat, you need to open your phone's settings. After you open your phone's settings, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this option called Snapchat. Once you see it, click on it, and then you want to click on this option called notifications. Once you click on notifications, the option at the top where it says allow notification, make sure to turn it off. Once you turn off allow notification, you have done it. You have successfully disabled notification on Snapchat. Now you're not going to receive any notification. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to disable your notification in Snapchat, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.